Welcome to my channel, and as you have seen from the title, we are doing yet another protective hairstyle. I have sectioned my hair into two parts, the front part and the bottom part, because I will be doing a half down protective hairstyle. So believe it or not, these are the hair I used. I did the front part off camera, the cornrows. I even forgot I was filming, and I'm just about to do the back part where I'll be crocheting that hair onto the back part of my head. So the hair I'm using on the back part is real carnivore long, and the front part I just used a bunch of braids that I actually honestly don't even know their names. So you just go ahead and crochet the back part, as I had already done the front part, and I chose that style of cornrows. And yeah, so this protective hairstyle came out nicely. So I just went ahead and did the back part, the whole of it. I just crocheted it, and yeah, that was basically it. So this was the final look, and I am so impressed. I am so in love with this hairstyle. It turned out great, and it actually served me 2 weeks. So this protective hairstyle was a success, and I would highly recommend it to anyone. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. My name is Maya, and welcome to the family. I do protective hairstyle and natural hair videos. I hope you enjoy the video, and thank you for watching.